Hello, I'm Nancy from MovinsEdition. I'll introduce a camo sneakers item from Brooks in the MovinsEdition series. It's the Brooks Heritage Men's Regent Camo Collection product with only one new product from MovinsEdition. It's a model that can be stylish in a camo style. I'm sure you like or dislike camo colors, but I think it'll be the best item for those who like it. These are camo pattern sneakers, so they really look like military sneakers. This model has an air at the back of the outsole. It's fun. The Brooks signature is a bit lacking of detail. I wish that had been embroidered. Regent model air from Brooks is fun. A style from the past meets modern interpretation of the future. Suede synthetic and textile upper materials. Lace-up closure. Lightly padded tongue and collar. Soft, breathable fabric lining offers a great inch feel. Removable molded foam insole for light underfoot comfort. Synthetic outsole provides reliable grip and traction. The model is made up of various materials and the variety of materials is interesting. It would be nice to give a gift to someone in the army. This is a new product from MovinsEdition that only has one. Camo sneakers from Brooks Regent. It's the Brooks Heritage Men's Regent Camo Collection product with only one new product from MovinsEdition. It's a model that can be stylish in a camo style. Bye!